Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove white background from an image without making use of Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the web browser and go to this link. You will find it in the description below. Open the image that you want to remove the white background from. So as you can see, this tool is powered by Adobe Photoshop itself, and it says it's free for a limited time only. So I'm not sure for how long this tutorial will stay valid, but it works now. So as you can see, it has finished the processing of image, and it has done pretty nice job of removing white background from this image. So you can click on download. However, if you will see the downloaded file, it says it is Adobe Spark file format. I don't have any Adobe Spark image editor installed on this computer, so I cannot open this file. So come back to the browser and click on this button, open in editor. So it will open the file in the Adobe Spark online editor, and from there you can easily download the image in .png. So it does take some time to load. So you can click on the download and select PNG, which is pre-selected in my case, and just click on start download. And here select the transparent PNG. So as you can see, the image is downloaded, and it's a pretty good and easy way to get rid of white background. There's another online tool that I would like to show you. It's called remove.vg. You will find a link to this tool as well in the description. So it works in the similar way. Just upload the image from which you want to remove the background from, and it processes the image, and it also does pretty nice job of removing the white background from image. But if you want to download this file in the higher resolution format, then you will have to sign up for this website. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial helps you. If it did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.